Indian share market outlook for April 25, 2024. Share market outlook India. Point 1. IndusInd Bank Q4 net profit jumps 15% to Rupee 2,349 crore, declares Rupee 16.50 dividend. Profit, at Rupee 2,349 crore, is beating the market estimates of Rupee 2,261 crore. Private sector lender IndusInd Bank on April 25 reported a net profit of Rupee 2,349 crore for the January-March 24, which marks a 15% jump as compared to Rupee 2,043 crore clocked in the year-ago period. The net profit, at Rupee 2,349 crore, is beating the market estimates of Rupee 2,261 crore. Said in its quarterly update earlier this month, with a 14% growth in deposits. On April 25, IndusInd's shares closed 1.5% higher at Rupee 1,496.85 per share. The bank's gross non-performing asset down from 1.98% recorded in the same quarter last year. On the other hand, net NPA for the quarter stood at 0.57%, improving from 0.59% on a year-on-year basis. Share market outlook India. Point 2. Tech's 40.9% YoY to Rupee 661 crore, revenue drops by 6.2%. Tech Mahindra net profit falls 41% to Rupee 661 crore, margins shrink to 5%. Management commentary. Tech Mahindra reports 41% to Rupee 661 crore. Share market outlook India. Point 3. Vedanta Q4 net profit falls 27% amid downward pressure on commodity prices. Vedanta's revenue from operations fell by 6% to Rupee 34,000 March quarter. Sequentially, revenue remained flat. Mining major Vedanta Ltd on April 25 posted an 27% fall in net profit at Rupee 1,369 crore for the fourth quarter of FY 2023-24, amid aluminum, along with a subdued performance in the oil and gas segment. The company had reported a profit of Rupee 1,881 crore in the same quarter of the previous fiscal and Rupee 2,013 crore in the third quarter. Revenue from operations fell 6% to Rupee January-March quarter. Sequentially, revenue remained flat. The company flagged that short-term and long-term demand remains robust in India. The demand is expected to remain strong in upcoming years due to thriving infrastructure, manufacturing, automobile, and EV renewable station. Share market outlook India. Point 4. Kumar Birla thanks government for its commitment to preserving a competitive three-player market. Birla thanks the PM, FM, and Telecom Minister, calls Vodafone a national asset, in stakeholder address as NSE. Exchange on the listing of the Vodafone Idea FPO, Kumar Mangalam Birla, chairman of the Aditya Birla Group, thanked the government for its commitment to preserving a competitive three-player market. I thank the Honourable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, the Honourable Finance Minister SMT Nirmala Sitharaman for their leadership and unequivocal commitment to preserving a competitive three-player market. The policy environment today encourages investment, innovation, and competition, he said. Birla said India's digital economy was booming, and robust telecom networks are crucial to supporting this. Indian people deserves three private telecom play Rupee, he added. Besides, he said, Vodafone was not just a telecom company but a national asset. Vodafone Idea, today, is not just a telecom company. It is a national asset with 250 spectrum, and a network that spans Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Share market outlook India. Point 5. Vodafone Idea creates volume records, over 400 crore shares traded. Vodafone Idea set a new record for volumes in a single stock, with over 400 crore combined on April 25. This figure bettered the previous record of 195 crore shares traded on April 24, again held by Vodafone. Vodafone Idea set a new record for volumes in a single stock, with over 400 crore shares being traded till now on the BSE. This figure bettered the previous record of 195 crore shares traded on April 24, again held by Vodafone. Amid this massive trading activity, Vodafone shares experienced a roller coaster ride, rocketing to 25% above the FPO price of rupee during morning trade. Despite the frenetic activity, Vodafone has been one of the major laggards in the recent stock market rally. Share Market Outlook India. 6. VinFast founder commits 1 billion as EV maker bleeds cash. The move marks his strongest backing. Challenger to Tesla Incorporated Vietnamese billionaire Pham Nhat Vuong pledged to invest at least another 1 billion of his Rs wealth into VinFast Auto Limited, providing the capital needed for expansion of the struggling electric vehicle maker. The move marks his strongest backing yet for the Ving Rope JSC unit touted. We will put all our resources into VinFast, Vuong told a meeting of shareholder UP in Hanoi, without giving a timing for the cash infusion. He described VinFast as the future of Ving Rope, and said there's no question of letting the company go. VinFast, which forayed into the US and the likes of Tesla for a share of the increasingly competitive EV market. It's investing 2 billion in a manufacturing plant in North Carolina, besides plans for factories in India and Indonesia. Share Market Outlook India. 7. Action on Kotak Mahindra Bank signals RBI, say experts. On April 24, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) imposed business restrictions on Kotak Mahindra Bank (KMB), barring the lender from adding new customer rupee through digital channels and issuing new credit cards. Experts expect this to impact their earnings. The business restriction Kotak Mahindra Bank for non-compliance was relating to the areas of IT inventory management, which signals the central bank's eagerness to stem any systemic risks in the banking sector, experts said. They further added that the move is likely to make other lenders in the industry more cautious about their compliance with the regulation. Is very clear. They do not want any systemic risk emanating from gaps that they have identified and highlighted to the banks, said Karan Gupta, Director and Head, Financial Institutions, India Ratings and Research. Share Market Outlook India. 8. ACC to rupee 749 crore, declares rupee 7.50 dividend. ACC Q4 results. Revenue from operations rose nearly 13% to rupee 5,398 crore. Cement manufacturer ACC Ltd 10% rise in standalone net profit for the March quarter at rupee 749 crore as against rupee 237 crore in the year-ago period, on a standalone basis. Its revenue came in at rupee 5,398 crore on a standalone basis. Consolidated basis, net profit rose 300% to rupee 945 crore in the quarter, compared to rupee 236 in the same quarter last year. Consolidated revenue from operations rose to rupee 5,409 crore from rupee 4,000. The Adani Group company declared dividend of rupee 7.50 per equity share of face value of rupee 10. At 1,450 hours on April 25, ACC's shares were trading nearly 1% higher at rupee 2,575 a share. 9. Prove claims of delivering order rupee within 10 minutes, government to quick commerce companies. The government has asked for data that proves that the median delivery time is 10 minutes as companies claim in their ads, or if it's even higher. However, there is a buffer of 4 minutes to prove that they are delivering in 10 minutes or less as claimed in their advertisements. The Central Consumer Protection Authority (CCPA), which is part of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs (PMCA), has asked players like Blinkit, Swiggy, Instamart, Zepto and Big Basket BB now to share data with each other, multiple senior government officials informed the money control team. Share market outlook India. Point 10. Indigo enters wide-body space by placing order for 30 Airbus A350-900 aircraft. The low-cost carrier expects deliveries to start from 20. Has placed an order for 30 Airbus A350-900 aircraft, which will help Indigo spread its wings further and expand its overall network. The low-cost carrier expects deliveries to start from 2027. In addition, Indigo has also purchased rights for 70 Airbus